Want to turn any image into a 3D model in seconds, characters, houses, anything? Today I'll show you how to do it with Hunyuan3D-2mini. It's free, unlimited, and needs only a few commands in the terminal. First, grab the GitHub project, link is in the description. Click Code Download Zip, unzip, and open the folder. Yours should look just like on screen. You can use the normal command prompt, or the x64 native tools command prompt for VS 2022. Both work. Before we start, make sure these are installed on your PC, an NVIDIA GPU with a recent driver. CUDA Toolkit 12.1. Visual Studio 2022 Build Tools with Desktop Development with C++. All set? Let's set it up. 9 quick steps. The exact commands are in a PDF I'll post after you like and subscribe, so you can copy, paste everything. Create a clean virtual environment and %py% to its Python. Install PyTorch built for CUDA 12.1. Pin the core Python stack Hunyuan3D expects. Add Hugging Face, Transformers, and Gradio. Expose CUDA 12.1 DLLs to this terminal, path for this session only. Build the custom texture rasterizer. If you see missing CUDA DLLs, add Torch's lib folder to path and retry. Quick import test, make sure the extension loads. Launch the Gradio app with the mini model and enable text to 3D. If everything ran clean, your browser opens 127.0.0.1:8080. Your port might differ, check the terminal. Now you can turn a single image into 3D, or type a prompt and generate a model. Have fun, and please like and subscribe for more.